This video will show you how to replace the headlamp bulb on a GMC Sierra 2500. You'll have two of these, one on each side of the vehicle, and the process will be the same. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your headlamp assembly. To remove the bulb, the process will be the same for either one of your headlamps. If you're working on the passenger side, you're going to be along the back side of the headlamp and you're going to find you have an air filter housing. If you're on the driver's side, you're going to have a washer fluid reservoir. Either way, you want to carefully make your way in between this area and you should be able to hold onto the bulb. We're going to start turning that counterclockwise to dislodge it. Once you have that pulled out of place, we can continue on to the electrical wiring harness. Now we're bringing it up to an area that we can gain access to our electrical wiring harness here. This has two locking tabs, one on either side. Gently pry them away, and you should be able to start dislodging that bulb. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course, we're going to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. We're going to start with the back side of the headlamp assembly. I'm using a clean rag for this. A quick inspection of the wiring harness for any corrosion. This looks good. One thing that I would note, if you look directly in the center of this electrical connector, you can see that it has a small slot. We need to make sure that that slot aligns with the bulb. Now with that said, it's time to install the brand new bulb. Let's have a look at where the electrical connector would sit. In the center, you can see that there's a locating tab. This needs to be aligned with that slot. Can be a little bit difficult getting this pressed into position. We're trying not to touch the glass on the bulb. Once you do have it pressed in, listen for an audible click. Give it a light tug to confirm it's properly secured in place. Let's get this in position. Now that we finished our installation, let's make sure we test the functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.